There you go.
Okay, there we go. Zach, yeah, walk it right like that. One there, two there, and we're good.
Yep.
That way your toe can catch around here too for braking.
Sure.
Okay.
Should we go back in with that bit and show it to the lady? Say, hey, can we return this? Yeah, you out of town bastards. Get out of town.
Okay.
In this life, there's so much pressure feels too much. Just don't just stress now, just be free. Let the good times roll, don't you
Flappy flap flap.
let it go. Just let the good times
It's wicked warm.
Yeah, no kidding.
31.
Are on the west side of the Fraser River, starting out with Boston Bar. After about 10 tries, Floyd and I got my 690 up this very steep hill that was all filled with sharp shale. I had to completely unload the bike. The retaining nut on the front sprocket, primary drive, is lost somewhere. So it is, front sprocket's being held on by a zap strap. And there's my luggage down to the bottom, which I'm now going to carry up. Yeah, that stuff right there. It's going to be lovely. And we're going to camp. We'll carry on to Lillooet, see how we do. Wish us luck.